Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Alpha 2 agonists. Okay. The drugs which are seen in alpha 2 agonists are clonidine, alpha methyl dopa, guanabens, guanfacine, dexmedetomidine. So clonidine, alpha methyl dopa, guanabens and guanfacine and dexmedetomidine are the alpha 2 receptor agonists. So these alpha 2 receptors, one important thing are these alpha 2 receptors are actually the presynaptic autoreceptors, and these are actually sympatholytic drugs. These are presynaptic autoreceptors and these are sympatholytic drugs. Because they are sympatholytic drugs, they are used in pharmacological sympathectomy. For pharmacological sympathectomy we can use these sympatholytic drugs.
thank you and thank you for watching.